Okay guys, welcome back. This is our car wash YouTube video here in the United States. We won't be able to see shit, will we?
This is what you get to see when you go through a car wash. Whoops, do that again. Take it off. Get this a good wash. Now we're going to get us a little spot-free rinse. Get all this coronavirus off the car just in case it landed.
You guys are wondering what this costs here in the United States. We pay $19.99 a month, and we get to come through and get as many washes as we like. It's the basic wash, but it's worth it. Tire shine will not kick on because we have the cheaper wash, but 20 bucks for all month long. Can't complain. West Bank, New Orleans, car wash.
Get a free vacuum too.
All free vacuums as well. So we probably wash our car at least 20 times a month, and we pay 20 bucks and we get free vacuums. So
That's how long it took to wash our car.
For you guys that do the math, it's about $1 a wash. Now they always have these exits blocked off here, like they want you to come vacuum, I think.
Are we vacuuming today?
Should we?
Really doesn't need it.
Huh? Does it need it?
Yeah. Okay.
Join today, $19.95 a month.
We got your little Pelican car wash center right there. We get you
Free rags and Pelican Point Car Wash, Lapalco Boulevard, Terrytown, Louisiana, 70056.
It's by Berman
Right next.
Highway and Nile Street next to the Waffle House.
Oh yeah, you're right. This is Berman Highway here. Lapalco is not until we go down a little ways. Berman Highway.
We have it.
And there's the car wash, guys.
It's called the Pelican Point Car Wash. Free vacuums. $6 washes if you come through and you just want a $6 basic wash. Otherwise, you can get a monthly wash if you plan on washing your car more than 4 times a month. Then you would definitely want to get their monthly deal, which is $19.95.
How many Pelican Points are there in the city here?
I know of there being at least 3. There's one in Harahan.
I believe there's 4 or 5 in this city, actually.
One on Claiborne.
Which is great if you're a driver or frequent a lot of different areas, because you can stop at any of them. If you're a member, you get one of these little stickers like here that you see. So anyway, that was...
As you see, we have 2 of them because we have 2 different states.
2 different cities. We have one there
And one
there.
state.
And yes, I know my brake tag has peeled off. A bunch of people in Louisiana